In this video, we'll go over the Discover Online Savings Account and why it's one of the best high-yield savings accounts on the market. Feel free to pause the video to read the disclaimer or find the full disclaimer in the video description below. The Discover High Yield Savings Account is one of my favorite high-yield accounts due to its high APY, decent bonus, and overall flexibility. With this account, you can earn 4.35% APY on your high-yield savings account balance, which is a really decent rate in the world of high-yield bank accounts. The interest you earn is compounded daily and credited to your account on a monthly basis. Discover is also offering a nice bonus right now depending on how much money you have available to transfer to your new account. In order to earn the sign-up bonus, you'll need to use the offer code on the screen as a new Discover Online Savings Account customer to apply for your account. And within 30 days of opening your account, you'll need to deposit at least $15,000 in your account to earn the $150 bonus, or deposit at least $25,000 to earn the $200 bonus instead. Even if you aren't able to meet the bonus requirements, as Discover's deposit threshold for the bonus is pretty high, the account's still worth it in my opinion, since it offers that high APY with very few strings attached. What makes this account so flexible is it has no minimum opening deposit, minimum balance requirements, or monthly maintenance fees. Plus, direct deposit is not required to earn the 4.35% APY or one of their sign-up bonuses. Of course, this high-yield account is also FDIC insured, which covers $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, per account ownership category, so you don't have to worry there. If you want to open an account, you can apply online or by phone. Just make sure you use the offer code for the bonus if you're planning on trying to get it. Since Discover's an online bank, they don't have physical bank branches, so that's something to keep in mind. Also, since you don't have a debit card, you won't be able to deposit or withdraw cash at Discover's in-network ATMs. If you want to deposit or withdraw cash, you'll need to do so at a brick-and-mortar bank you belong to, like Chase Bank or Bank of America, and do an online transfer to or from your Discover account. You can also set up direct deposit to deposit cash directly into your Discover bank account every time you get paid if you like, which is a great habit to have with a high-yield savings account in particular, so you can get the most out of your money. Discover doesn't charge fees for returned items and has no overdraft fees. You can enroll in Discover's overdraft protection service, which offers a basic level of protection against overdrafting your account. Though this account's very flexible overall, there is a limit to the number of withdrawals and transfers you can make from your Discover High Yield Savings account. You can make up to a combined total of 6 transfers or withdrawals per calendar month per account, so that's something to keep in mind. If you exceed that number, Discover may refuse to pay each transaction above that monthly limit. That isn't that big of a deal though, as most people won't reach that limit. The Discover Online Savings Account is a great basic high-yield account that's super simple to apply for and flexible enough to be a good fit for most people, while still offering a competitive APY. I've personally had the Discover Savings Account for a few years now, and it's been great for earning extra money on my existing savings. And having the ability to take my money out as needed without any penalties is great. If you don't have a high-yield savings account yet, the Discover High-Yield Savings Account is a great account to start with. Remember, when it comes to high-yield accounts, the earlier you start, the better. Discover does also offer a great checking account, which we'll cover in future videos. They also offer the Discover It Cashback credit card as well, which is a great no annual fee credit card that offers 5% cashback on rotating categories that change each quarter, as well as straight 1% cashback on all other purchases. You can learn more about that credit card and some other great cashback credit cards here. Let me know in the comments. Do you have a high-yield savings account? If so, which one do you have? Are you considering getting the Discover High Yield account? If you're interested in even more great bank accounts, you can check out this video next, where we go over some of the best bank accounts that offer great sign-up bonuses. If you found this video helpful, it'd be a huge help if you could click like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps get our videos out to more people to help them save money, and it's totally free. If you want to be notified when we post new videos, be sure to also click that notification bell as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.